The press for membranes for veneering profiles shaped to measure. The particular patented shape of the work surface allows veneering of flat surfaces up to 70 centimeters. In addition, the machine can cover the sides of angled surfaces or joints between L-shaped angles. Thanks to an additional 20 centimeter vertical plane, the machine reaches a total workable surface area of 1 meter, yet takes up only 4 square meters in the workshop. With Omniform 70, the craftsman can offer his customers elegant-looking solutions for innovative furniture. The press is conceived to offer maximum flexibility and is equipped with a support mask to meet all possible needs. Before starting a work cycle, it's useful to cover the work surface with a film of nylon to optimize the vacuum. The heating phase is started since the machine has to reach a temperature of 120 degrees before the work cycle can begin. In the example we're going to see, a door jamb will be covered. We'll use a wood veneer and a profile previously modelled to the section of the jamb. The operator lightly dampens one side of the veneer and then spreads a fine film of glue on the opposite side, in this way managing to maintain the workability of the wood for later operations. The profile is taken and the veneer laid on top, holding it in place with pins or paper adhesive tape. Once the veneer is secured to the profile, place it on the support mask, which will hold it up. In any case, it's advisable to insert a piece of nylon between the profile and the membrane in order to allow the stretching of the membrane itself during pressing. Proceed with the closing of the membrane by pressing on the center of the support frame until a click is heard to indicate correct attachment. The operator then starts the work cycle by engaging the safety lever placed at the side and then pressing the button for the vacuum valve. Before starting the cycle, the operator checks the position of the profile under the membrane, adjusting any possible displacement and verifying the correct adhesion of the veneer. The lid is closed and the heating cycling is put into operation. Once the work cycle, which lasts just a few minutes, has finished, the operator opens the vacuum valve and takes off the safety lever on the side of the electric panel. The lid and the underlying membrane are opened to extract the jamb, which will be cleaned before undergoing further processing. When the room temperature reaches over 25 or 30 degrees centigrade, it's advisable to spread the glue on the profile, as you can see in this second example. For profiles of large dimensions, this procedure should be followed independently of the surrounding temperature. With Omniform 70, it's possible to veneer profiles of different sizes and shapes. In this case, door boards are being prepared, 2 pieces at a time. In this example, an angular profile is being veneered. On the electric panel there are 7 buttons. 2 for starting and stopping the press. 2 for starting and stopping the vacuum cycle. Another 2 which regulate the heating. And finally an emergency button. In addition, there are 2 instruments, a thermal regulator and a timer which establishes the duration of the work cycle. As well as the other examples illustrated, it's possible to obtain different profiles that the market commonly asks for. Frames for glass, jambs for sliding doors, door frames, boards as much as 700 millimeters wide and almost 3 meters long, and so on, using any essence and without special equipment.